Hello students. Today I am going to explain you chapter 6 from part 1 Presentation Skills. Introduction of this chapter. Human beings, however determined they may be, need to represent or make proper presentation in order to explain and establish clarity with other person regarding his belief, approach, opinion or scheme. His understanding, ability and skills come to his aid for this matter. For different presentations, various forms, formats and technical aids are required. Various factors like effectiveness of the presentation, use of technology and grasp on part of listeners or attendees determine the success of presentation. Appropriate presentation not only provides information and explanation to individual or group but also avails their approval and manages to get desired result. The word presentation is commonly used for the activity of representation. Presentation means the skill and ability to present, inform and explain one's belief, approach, opinion or scheme to other person or group in the most appropriate manner. Importance of presentation. A person expresses his belief or puts forward his proposal to various persons in different manners. It could be before his parents or elderly persons, teachers or friends, head of the institution or colleagues. Presentations should be made keeping in mind the age groups, gender, designations, etc. of the audience. Some points can be common to all and some may differ according to age groups, gender and designations. Presentations are made on different purposes such as learning, teaching and evaluation, interview and group discussion, training, demonstration, strategy, planning, project, survey, etc. The manner of presentation will vary in case of explanation of principles, narration of procedure, or providing plans for future. Thus, through presentation, an individual or a group can easily explain their point by using his or their ability, skill and technology to the other individual or group. Presentation can be oral or written or audiovisual using computers. Presentation made with the use of technology creates a long-lasting effect. Types of presentation. Presentations are of three types from the point of view of mode or medium of expression. Number 1, oral. Number 2, written. Third, PowerPoint presentation. Audiovisual. Oral, elocution, debate, dialogue, arguments are the examples of oral presentation. Written, letters, memo, proposal, report, petition, testimony, planning, project strategy, etc. The presentation of dialogue, argument, petition or testimony can be done orally as well as in writing. Apart from medium, knowledge and skills are also required to make the presentation impressive. In addition to the skills making communication complete and fruitful, the skills of public speaking enhance presentations. A PowerPoint is a combination of oral and written and technological skills. This method, being the most practical and simple, has become synonymous to presentation. PowerPoint presentation has proven to be the most appropriate and self-explanatory method for demonstration in classroom lecture, training, business meeting and project work. In addition to attracting attention of the audience, PowerPoint presentation presents matters in a more interesting manner with utmost clarity. A slideshow can be prepared using appropriate text, graphics, animation, visuals and sound. A slideshow can be run for an audience with the help of a projector on a large screen. The contents of the presentation can also be distributed in form of handouts. Preparing a PPT is an art and requires many skills. Presentations are of two types from the point of view of the presenter. Individual and group. Individual and group presentations can be made for interview, project, and for marketing strategy, etc. From the point of view of the audience, presentations are of two types: face to face and indirect. For interview, project, and marketing strategy discussion or presentation can be made face to face and also using technical aids like telephone or video conferencing. From the point of view of objectives, presentations can be of five types. First, informative. Brief and precise, moves from the most to the least important points, has minimum possibility of confusion. Examples: teaching, training, etc. Second, instructional. To suggest or command, intense and requires time to understand. Basic evaluation possible. Examples: tutorials, demonstration of safety measures, etc. Awakening. Enables unanimous decision making, is strengthened with apt use of language, impressive presentation, and energetic interactions, becomes lively with narration of stories or real life incidents. Examples: educative speech of preceptors, motivational speech of mentors, etc. Fourth, persuasive. Discussion of advantages and disadvantages in order to achieve correctness, logical movement towards a solution, to create emotional appeal. Examples: political debate, business proposal, etc. Fifth, decision making. To lead towards decision making by concrete examples, to establish the need for decision or result, by way of comparing and contrasting a particular situation, detailed discussion including the probable risk factors possible. Examples: meeting of the board of directors, court's verdict. Thank you.